Good morning, children. So, today we are going to start a new chapter in biology, that is components of food. Okay, this is the new chapter we are going to begin today. So, in components of food, what we have to study, we'll see one by one. Okay, now come to this point that food. Food is a kind of fuel for living organism. Okay, kind of fuel, what do you understand by that food is a kind of fuel means, what do you know about the fuel gives energy to run anybody, like in vehicle we input the petrol, in car or truck we put diesel and petrol so that it can run. In the same way, for human being, food is the fuel. Okay, food is the fuel so that our body can do various types of activity. Okay, that's why human beings needs food to live. Okay, if we don't eat food for a day, for 1 day or 2 day, we would feel hungry and weak. If 1 day or 2 day if you'll not eat anything, obviously you'll feel hungry and weak. And food works as a what? Food works as fuel for the body. Okay, it works as fuel for the body. Okay, so if there will be no petrol in the bike, will it run? Can you start the bike? Can it move? Can you move the bike? No. In the same way, food is like fuel for the body, and if we'll not eat the food, then we'll not able to do any activity. Okay, that's why we feel hungry and weak. Okay, so the kinds of food that a person, animal or community usually is called diet. Usually we used to call that today I have taken so much heavy diet, isn't it? So what do you mean by diet? Diet means the kind of food that a person, animal or community usually eat is called diet. Okay, means whatever food we eat, okay, the kind of food we eat, that is called as what? That is called as diet. So question will be asked, what do you understand by diet, or what is diet, or define diet? So what is diet? The kind of food that a person, animal or community usually eat is called diet. So this is your question, what is diet? Okay, and this is your definition. Then very important part comes here, nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? What do you mean by nutrition? Nutrients food, have you heard or not? Nutrients food. So we'll study about the nutrition later on. First of all, now come to meal. This part, meal. What is meal? Okay, so the food eaten at a particular time of the day is called meal. Particular time. Okay, means like in the morning, if we'll eat the food, it will be called as breakfast. In the afternoon, if we'll eat the food, that will be called as lunch. In the night, if we'll eat the food, that will be called as dinner. So breakfast, lunch and dinner, all are called as what? All are called as meal. Okay, so what do you mean by meal? Meal, the food eaten at a particular time. You can see here, at a particular time means different time we eat. So according to the time, the meal is defined. In the morning, breakfast. In the afternoon, it is called as lunch. Then at night it is called as dinner. Okay, so what is meal? One more definition you have to tell. So the definition of the meal, what is meal? The food eaten at a particular time of the day is called as meal. Examples are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, so two definition we came to know. One is diet and another one is meal. Okay, so you have to define both of these. Got it? Okay, now what do different food items contain? Okay, so a nutrient, I told you I'll discuss about nutrient. So a nutrient is a substance in food that provides energy to the body. Okay, so in food what is present? In different food items different types of nutrients are present. Okay, which provides energy to the body. Okay, nutrients are there in the food which provides energy to the body. Okay, so thus nutrients are components of food that the body requires in adequate amount. Adequate amount means sufficient amount, enough amount. Okay, adequate amount for growth and reproduction, thereby leading a normal healthy life. The nutrients of food are certain organic substances and minerals. Nutrients of foods are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. Okay, so we have to understand here what is nutrient. Okay, so what is nutrient? Nutrient is a substance in food that provides energy to the body and it helps in it helps in growth and reproduction and to fight with disease. Okay, to fight with disease, it helps the body to fight with disease. Okay, so what you'll write the definition of nutrient? Nutrient is a substance in the food that provides energy to the body and it helps in growth and reproduction. It help in growth and reproduction and it also help to fight with disease. Okay, it protects our body from various kinds of disease. So this much you'll write the definition of nutrients. And various types of nutrients are found in food items. Okay, what are those? 7 types of nutrients are there. One is carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. Got it? So 7 types of nutrients are found in our food: carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, roughage and water. And one by one all the nutrients we have to divide, we have to discuss. Okay, we have to study about carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, roughage and water. Got it? Okay, now according to our discussion, whatever we have studied today, you have to discuss these questions. You have to write the answer of these questions. What is diet? What is diet? Definition you have to write. What is meal? And you have to give the examples of meal. Then what are nutrients? You have to write the definition of nutrients and write the name of all 7 types of nutrients found in food. Okay, so these 4 questions you have to do in your copy. Got it? So I hope whatever we have discussed today, it is clear to you. If you don't understand, watch again the video, rewind the video and again watch it. Got it? And it's not very difficult to understand. You can understand everything. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.